Hello, in this lesson, can we learn how to find the perimeter of a rhombus? And as we said in the previous lessons, perimeter is the total distance outside a shape. And the shape we are talking about here is a rhombus. So, the total perimeter or the perimeter of a rhombus will be the total distance outside this rhombus. And this is what I mean. I take that side plus that side plus that side plus that last side like that. But as you have noted, I've named all the sides of this rhombus as A because all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So if this side is A and it is equal to this side, that side will also be A, and if it is equal to this side, it will also be A, and if it is equal to this side, it is also A. So, the perimeter of a rhombus P, to represent perimeter, is given by the first side, which is A, plus the second, plus the third, plus the fourth, like that. So, if you take A plus A plus A plus A, it will be 4A. And that's why, you see, I say here, the perimeter of a rhombus is 4A. So, with that knowledge, can you try to solve some questions? If you are given, you are told a rhombus has sides A is 9 centimeter, then you are told to find the perimeter. What this means is you are told A is 9 centimeters. So, find the perimeter P, which is given by 4 into A, but we already know A is 9. So it will be 4 multiplied by 9, which is 36 centimeters, like that. But also, if you want, you can say perimeter P is given by 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 to apply this formula here. So it will be 9 plus 9, which is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9 is still 36 centimeters. So that's how we find the area of a rhombus. But can we try another example here? Sometimes you can be given the side as an expression. Like in this case, you are told a rhombus has a side length of A is equals to 3x plus 2 centimeters. Then you are told to find an expression for the perimeter in terms of x. So the first thing we have is A itself is given as 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. Then, from there, you are told to find the perimeter, of course, of the rhombus. And we know perimeter P of a rhombus is given by 4 into A, or multiplied by A. So what we do, we take this 4 and we multiply by the A, which we have is 3x plus 2, like that. So it becomes, to get this one, we need to multiply all the values inside the brackets with this 4 outside. So it will be 4 multiplied by 3x, which will be 12x, plus 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. All of that is centimeters to give the perimeter. So the perimeter will be 12x plus 8 because you are told to write it in terms of x. Can we try another example? How about if you are not given any of the sides, but then you are given the perimeter itself? Like, for example, in this question, you are told the perimeter of a rhombus is 48 centimeters. Then find the length of one side. But we know, since we know, let me do it here. We know P is given by 4A. Perimeter of a rhombus is given by 4 multiplied by A. But now in this case, we already know that P is equals to 48 centimeter. 48 centimeters. So from there, you are asked to find my side of that rhombus. So to do so, we need to say perimeter P, which is 48 centimeters, is equals to 4 into A. It then means to get this A, we need to divide both sides by 4. So A becomes 48 divided by 4, it will be 12. Because here 4 divided by 4 will be what? So A will be 12 centimeters. And since a rhombus has 4 sides and all of them are equal, if you take 4 sides, which is 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, because all of them are equal, you'll get 48 centimeters, which is the perimeter of that rhombus. So that's how we find the perimeter of a rhombus. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. You can give me any question you have. I'll try to answer to my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next lesson.